May masamang nangyari sa akin kagabi. He was just staring at me, as in stare at me na malapit ako mamatay sa the person up. So that, wow. Like that?
Tata.
Hello mga lalabs! Kauwi ko lang ng bahay. Ay, hindi nyo makita. Ayan, kauwi ko lang ng bahay. Nag-shower kaagad ako kasi ang daming tao sa tindahan ngayon. Sobrang daming tao sa designer outlet. As in, yung mga French, yung mga Belgian, yung mga German nasa designer outlet. Kasi open na yung mga border. Tapos sa Netherlands open. Walang ASPRAC. Walang appointment, meaning lahat ng tao nagsidagsaan doon. At saka ako, ang anong role ko today is ako security guard. Nasa door ako, so queue greeter ako. Ako nag-greet kung sino papasok at saka hindi papasok. Medyo intense kanina. May naka-diskusyon ako. May nakapagsagutan ako kanina. Lalaki na German, di kami magkaintindihan. Pero nasolve na kaagad. Isa lang ngayong araw na to. Normally naman wala akong hindi ako nagkakaroon ng mga away-away dyan. So, bukas, iba na naman yung ating gagawin. Hindi ako magdodor bukas. So, balik ako sa aking lugar. So, hindi nyo na makita si Sofia at si Bana kasi hindi ako nag-vlog buong araw. Kasi, nag-rest lang kami. Matagal akong gumising. Kami din. Si Sofia, nasa bed namin. So, parang, enjoy lang namin yung morning namin. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Si Sofia ngayon is pinapatulog na sa taas. Nagkita kami. Pero sabi na ni Bana, siya nang mapapatulog. Sabi niya, go away! Kaya ganun. Tsaka naligo na ako kaagad para, for example, no, humut-humut tayo. Bukas din ako maligo. Maaga ako tomorrow. Medyo intense yung ating araw today. Gutom ako, pero kakain lang ako ng maybe, chips or tortilla. Hindi talaga, hindi ako nag-dinner. Normally, nagdi-dinner ako sa work kasi 7 o'clock ako natapos. May masamang nangyari sa akin kagabi. And I cannot forgive Dada about it.
What?
I'm going to share with you all. There's something happened to me last night. I thought it would be the end of my
It was a bad dream.
life.
Dreaming.
I was just dreaming. Ano yan, diba sa Tagalog, ano yan siya, yung parabang bangungot ba, yung nakakamatay na bangungot. Ay, ganito pala yung nangyari, had. You just came to bed, and then, may camera ako for Sofia, and then that camera, nakahiga ako na ganan. Nakahiga ng ganyan.
Get your story straight before you talk.
Ganan. Ha? What?
So get your story straight before you talk.
Nakahiga ako ng ganyan. Tapos, Dada put his hand on my
Arm across her body.
his arm across the body like that. Oh, ganyan.
Like I normally do.
Ganyan yung nilagay niya. Kasi ganyan naman ginagawa niya normally. May habit ako na I always look at the camera from Sofia. Imagine niyo yung kamay niya. Dalawang mabigat na kamay. You see that one? And then, yung nasa video na yun, Sofia is, looking at the camera. Wanting to go to our bedroom. And then ako, nabangungot na plago. Pero alam ko na, I was conscious na it was happening. I was waiting for him to wake me up because I was just like that, oh. I was saying that, dada. But then, he only heard one dada. But then, I was like that, how was I?
She was dreaming.
Like, how did I, you were looking at me. He was just staring at me, as in stare at me na malapit ako mamatay. Sa atin sa Philippines, you do like that, oh. Yeah, you wake the person up so that you wake the person up so that they will get out of that sleep. Pero ginawa niya, naghintay siya. Sabi ko, busy to, pero sa isip ko, busy to. Why did he not wake me up?
She was just dreaming.
I was doing like that, oh, he said to me, ayaw na niyang ikanod. You see drama na be reenact. Reenact, please. Wow. Like that?
Tata. As if she was enjoying herself.
O, parang ganun. Tapos, it ended lang na, I think I don't know how many seconds was that. Basta, it just ended. And then, when I woke up, no, pinagalitan ko siya. Sabi ko, why did you not woke me? I will die. And he don't believe ka. It's just a nightmare daw. I think he was waiting that if I will utter the. I don't know what he was waiting for. He was just looking at me. Jud, mamatay na jud ko. Ogapo jud. As I was super angry.
No, she
No.
wasn't.
I was super angry.
No, she wasn't.
Hindi ako makagalaw kasi ang bigat ng kamay. Yun talaga, super bad dream talaga siya. Old wife still do ganyan. Pero diba, ang daming namatay dyan sa Philippines. Madaming namatay ng bangungot. Oy. Sa English daw yan, nightmare. Yeah, normal, nightmare. Diba, was very bad, Jude. Before tayo matulog, don't forget our Ultra Collagen Drink. Any collagen drink naman pwede. Pero ito yung ginagamit ko. Kasi tignan nyo yung eye bags ko. Super haggard ng aking face. I drink collagen drink kasi kakatulong talaga siya para hindi medyo sagi yung ating mga mukha at saka yung ating mga wrinkles dyan. Talaga fresh pa talaga sa akin yung yung nightmare ko kagabi. As in, masama siya. Kaya sabi ko, ewan ko, di ba sa atin may sumpa yan, naglalagyan ng tubig sa ibabaw sa malapit sa'yo. Kaya yung mama ko at saka yung uncle ko, takot silang matulog mag-isa. Di ba? Si Rico yan, di ba? Bangungot daw yun. I don't know if it's true. Pero ako naniniwala ako. Kasi, di ba kahit natulog ka lang dyan, mamatay kasi bako palayo, Lord. Hay, ewan ko, ano ba sa, yung bangungot talaga? Nightmare lang ba? Pero yung nightmare nakakamatay, meron ba ganun? Basta masama siya. Nasa isip ko siya kaninang umaga, medyo nag-ano pa din sa utak ko. So, matulog na ako mga lalabs kasi medyo maaga yating pasok bukas. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nanonood. And magkita-kita tayo sa mga susunod na vlog. Bye-bye!
The next day.
You better go before she finishes.
Work na naman tayo mga labs. Ngayong buntag, it's Sunday. Sobrang busy again today. And nag-collagen ako. Tignan nyo, parang nawala yung haggardness talaga. Nakita ko talaga yung diferensya. Pag nagko-collagen ako. Tapos parang medyo nag-soften yung lens. Hindi lang kasi ako talagang sunod-sunod na umiinom. Kasi mahal siya, mahal. Kaya napansin ko. Medyo hindi na Ewan ko lang kung napansin nyo. Basta ako, I can see it. So, nakadating na ako. Tulog na si Sofia, tsaka si Dada. Walang ganap. Hindi ko na sila nakita.